sent home a letter explaining how to get on Clever, but it just dawned on me it might be easier if I show a video. So here I'm on the PACE Academy website, pace.eesd.net. I'm going to click on resources, and now I have this page with a bunch of icons. Click on C for Clever. I'm going to type in our school. I am PACE Academy Charter School. There we go. And I've already logged in as a student, but you're going to have to enter your kiddo's Google account. And once you do that, it should look like this. And like I said, I'm logged in as a student. This one is a first grade student, so yours might look different if you're in your kiddo's in a different grade, but they should be pretty similar. Up here I have iReady. This is the program I like the kids to use most often. We can do reading lessons or math lessons. Let's say kiddo's gonna do reading. Next lesson. And then we can go from there. Now the kids like to sneak onto iReady games, so make sure they're not doing iReady games. They should be doing lessons. Same thing for math. This is where you're going to be doing most of your lessons. If I scroll down, you're going to see an icon that says Studies Weekly. This is going to be history, social studies. You can look up science videos, but we mainly use this for history. So click on Studies Weekly. There we go. There are a bunch of different grade levels. This is kindergarten, first grade, second grade, third grade. We're only going to focus on these three. If your kiddo's in first grade, click on first grade. Now remember, I'm logged in as a first grader. There we go. Okay, here's where you will see all of your lessons. I do this in class, so because it says 0%, that doesn't mean they haven't done it already. I just usually do it on my teacher computer. They don't usually log in. So this is going to be new to them. I would start at week, and I believe it's corresponding for every grade. We just finished a unit in laws and the US government. So I would start maybe week, I guess it really doesn't matter, something different. Let's do maps and globes. Maps and globes looks nice. Once you click on, I should have showed you that. Once you click on continue reading, this button right here, it's going to take you to a history lesson. Here will be the slides. So this one's maps, maps. You can read it to them, or they can read it, it reads to them.
Maps are flat drawings that show where places are.
And then sometimes there's a little link up here that says watch video. It's a video that goes with the lesson. So they can watch that and then close. Once they read the lesson and watch the video, there are quizzes down here. A map is a round drawing, not a drawing, a flat drawing, or a bumpy drawing. Awesome. Click on the answer, you get points for everything you do. And you know what, leave it up to the kiddos what lesson they want to do. Make it fun for them. So if they want to learn about festivals and holidays, go ahead and do that one. Like I said, we just did the unit on US government and presidents, so don't do those ones. We already did those. Okay, back to Clever. There's one more thing I want to show you. So remember, iReady is going to be reading and math. Studies Weekly is going to be history. Now McGraw-Hill, this one right here, is going to be math. So let's click on this one. This is a first grade student. It's taking a second. Okay, here we go. Perfect. Yours is probably going to say second grade or third grade, but this one's first grade. I'm going to click launch. Awesome, here we go. We have lessons 9-2. This is what my first graders are on. They can do everyday math games if they want. This is usually what they use. So if I open it, let's do a different tab. I'm going to come back to this. But right now, let's say we want to do everyday math games. They have some fun games they can do on here. These are all going to be math related, so these are some great tools that they will find fun. Going back, okay. Now I'm back on my lesson. This is something, parents, that you're going to have to do because I haven't taught this yet. These are going to be brand new math concepts. So, clicking on my lesson, I want to scroll over using the arrow. Skip these. These are more just warm-ups, and it reads to them. So if you want to do that, you can do that. But I'd rather you skip over to math boxes and home link. Math boxes, that's their lesson. If a shape is a rectangle, what must be true? You're going to teach them this. Where's my, here we go, down here maybe? Activity kit. Oh, up here, here it is. Okay, this arrow up here is going to be the next slide. So here's one slide. On my teacher, mine's down here, but this one's up here. Click the arrow. Now we're on a different program, or a different question. So first question, you're going to teach that. Here's an arrow up here. Second question, and keep going. Boop. Remember, this one's first grade, so yours is going to look different. Okay, so those are some awesome programs. These are three, going back on Clever, 3 different icons that would be nice to focus on. So iReady is reading and math. Studies Weekly is history or science. And McGraw-Hill is going to be all those math programs. Okay, so that's what we have on Clever. I want to show you one more thing on Epic. So let me go to Epic, student login. Okay. Here's your code. This is my class, Mrs. Richardson's class, XRV8687. Okay, I'm going to log in myself. Your student will have their name up here. I'm going to log in as guest just to show you. Not guest, I didn't assign anything to guest. Where is student 1? Okay, I'm going to log in as Maddie here because I have an assignment for her. Okay, up in the top corner, you're going to see mailbox. Click on mailbox. And here are the lessons that I have assigned. If you see a book is too easy or too hard, please let me know because I can adjust it on my end. I'm going to click on this one. Here are all of the books I have assigned to her. Let's do what are clouds. Right before we left, I started teaching clouds. So this one may be interesting to them, I'm hoping. Okay, she reads the book, keeps going all the way through. Oops, too far. Too far. There will usually, this one doesn't have one, but there will usually be a button here that says quiz, and then she can take a quiz on the book that I've assigned. Epic's really awesome. It's a really good program. I'm going to exit out of the book here. They also like to watch learning videos. So up here are learning videos, read books. These are AR books, read to me, and videos. They love to watch learning videos, and I'm fine with that. Just make sure that they do their lesson up top. Okay, let them explore. Happy learning. If you need any help, please, I'm really good at emailing, so please check your email. Email me right away if you have any problems or give me a call and I'll be happy to help. Okay, take care everyone.